Let me introduce to all of you Mrs. Shubha Pal. To begin with, her educational background, she holds a Master's in International Relations from Jadavpur University, Kolkata. She also holds a Master's in Broadcast Journalism from New York University. She has done an integrated course in conflict resolution and peace operations from United Nations Institute of Training and Research. Now, talking about her vocational side, she is a creative content writer, performer, and director of more than 150 shows in prestigious auditoriums and esteemed clubs in India. She holds a master's degree in music from Prayag Sangeet Samiti, Allahabad, and is an exponent of Ravindra Sangeet from an esteemed music academy, Dakshini. About her other activities, she is the first lady in Rotary District 3291 and associated with Rotary International Movement for past 32 years. Presently having chair membership of Rotary Club of Kolkata, the second oldest Rotary Club in India. She is associated with the following Chambers of Commerce and Industry: Bengal Chambers, WIICS. She is also part of Ladies Study Group, that is Women's Wing of Indian Chamber of Commerce. She is a former member of Women Empowerment in CII. She is also a member of All Ladies League since its inception. Her hobbies: reading books, traveling, and writing for productions. Shubha is married to Manab Pal, who is an economist and a naval architect by profession, a former ship owner and owner of India's only 4-star floating hotel in Kolkata. Her only son, Anubhav Pal, is an internationally acclaimed author, playwright, columnist, movie writer, and a comedian. Let me introduce Jyoti R. Singh to you. Jyoti R. Singh is a young, vivacious lady, a talented architect, and a successful businesswoman. She is the founder and the CEO of JJ Interiors, a boutique architectural firm. Jyoti did her bachelor's in architecture from Jamia Millia Islamia University after her schooling from Ramjas School, Delhi. She immediately joined job and worked for 4 years in the field before deciding to start of her own. She opened her venture in 2018 and has never looked back since then. Being from a business family, she picked up traits of a successful entrepreneur very early in her career. Her firm undertakes architecture and interior design services, as well as creating furniture products for sale. Jyoti's mission is converting houses into homes, and she has been growing from strength to strength, creating her portfolio projects in commercial, residential, and hospitality sectors in India and abroad. In a short stint of around 3 years as an entrepreneur, she has already made impact amongst her clients and in the industry with her sincerity and dedication. Jyoti is very passionate about her field of architecture, design, and creativity. She always carries her sketchbook and captures her idea immediately whenever she gets one. She attributes her success to her very good listening and communication skills that help her understand and align with her clients' needs. She is also very transparent with her clients and keeps them informed. She also loves to paint, listen to music, and she is fond of reading books whenever she gets time to rewind. Let me introduce Dr. Jasmine Tur Bhattara to you. Dr. Jasmine is a rare blend of profession and passion, an icon of intelligence and elegance, and a true epitome of optimism and possibility. She is a designer of smiles and a committed change maker in the society we live in. A dentist by profession, supported by her intelligent hubby, Dr. Amit Bhattara, an amateur photographer himself. Dr. Jasmine is a mother of a boy, Arnav, running in his 20s. Dr. Jasmine is all set to hit the world of glamour with her passion, talent, and beauty if she just takes the call. Staying ever committed towards her patients, the doctor is an active social worker, educating the lower strata about basic hygiene techniques, guarding against female infanticide, and overall uplift of girl child. She sailed through Mrs. India Queen of Substance contest, bagging the Trendsetter Award. She is the beauty queen who stood second runners-up at the Mrs. Universal 2016 contest held at Nevada, USA. Astonishingly, she did it all without having taken any professional training from any of the grooming schools or attending workout sessions as such. Dr. Jasmine also represented India in India Day Parade in the US. She visited St. Gilbert's Convent and learned new techniques of education for proposal to be followed back home in our own land. She visited Veterans Hospital and Naval Hospital to meet residents and doctors over there. She has a vision of caring for veterans who have no one to support for. She keeps herself surprisingly fit at her age. It's in her genetics. She agrees, no gym, no exercise, just a regular morning walk, and there she is, a stunning celebrity representing her fraternity and our country at large, inland and out. The lady of substance stands out and always puts her best foot forward to be the change she wishes to see in our society and the world at large. She always throws up herself for bigger challenges ahead and is not scared to lead and live her passion as a goal-oriented and caring young woman of eminence. Dr. Jasmine is the peak of positivism at the peak of possibilities, and to have her on our own platform is an immense pleasure for each one of us here.